Hey everyone, Bobby here at Bipper Media. One of the most common questions we get from clients and just people who use the tool on our site is, what is our domain score, or what we refer to as SEO authority score, and what does it mean? You can go to our homepage, bippermedia.com, enter your website, see what your authority score is or domain rating score right now. Just go to the bippermedia.com, enter your website, you'll see what your score is. So that score we get from Ahrefs, which is an SEO tool. Okay, so it scores sites from 0 to 100, right? 90% of all the sites that we see are more in like the 0 to 10 range. And if you've been doing SEO, if you're like a really big brand site, you'll be more in like the 70 plus level score. So that score is determined by the number of backlinks that you have pointing to your website, number one, and number two, the authority of those backlinks that are pointing to your website. So those two components are what ultimately determine your SEO authority score or your domain rating. And our goal with our clients is to get that score as high as we can by building high authority links to your website. So what it means is the way I refer to it is I compare it to like the size of an engine in a race car. Okay, so, and it's kind of a race. Google search is kind of a race. Like you're in a race against your competitors to get top rankings in Google search, right? So it's kind of like a race, and the size of the engine matters. This SEO authority score is like the size of the engine, okay? If you're a competitor of mine and you're outranking me in Google Maps and Google search, more than likely your authority score is higher than mine. So let's say your authority score is like 40 and my authority score is like 2. You're gonna be outranking me probably on every major keyword that matters in our market. The way I can compete against you is by increasing the size of my engine, and that is my SEO authority score. So if my toughest competitor is a 40 and mine's a 2, I've got to start building links and building authority to get my score at least to a 40. And even better if I can get higher than a 40. If I can get to like the 50, 60 plus level, now I'm the business in the market that all of my competitors are trying to figure out how to chase me, so to speak, back to that analogy of a race. So that's what the domain rating is. That's why it's super important for your business. And again, go to bippermedia.com, enter your website. It's a free tool, and see what your score is right now.